Hi everyone, hope you all are doing well and doing safe. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Dipannita. In today's video I will be reviewing newly launched Mamaearth Naturally Matte Lip Serum with vitamin C and E. They have launched total 8 shades and I have all the shades with me, which I will be swatching later on the video. When I heard that Mamaearth is launching their lipsticks, I was so freaking excited because Mamaearth is launching their makeup products little by little. First they have launched their kajal and kohl, which I absolutely love, and now it's a lipstick which I have to get my hands on. So okay, before we get started with the review, let me quickly give you guys a brief on what Mamaearth brand is all about, because a lot of you guys maybe don't know what Mamaearth claims or like what their initiatives are. So Mamaearth is an Indian brand and their products are cruelty free. Their products are free from harmful chemicals and also paraben, sulfate, SLS and all of those things. Apart from that, Mamaearth has taken a great initiative where they plant trees. Like whenever you order from their website, they link your order to their website to a tree that they plant, and उस tree की exact geolocation, species, वो सब कुछ आप लोगों को बता दिया जाएगा. And Mamaearth is a plastic positive brand, which means they recycle plastic more than they use. If you want to get discounts on Mamaearth products, that's my dog. Anyways, if you want to get discounts on Mamaearth products, then definitely you can use this code right here on mamaearth.in to get 20% off. New year है, that's why जो code है वो भी change हो चुकी है, तो definitely ये वाले code ही input करना to get 20% off. And Mamaearth products are easily available on Nykaa, Amazon, Purple, and obviously mamaearth.in. So yeah, that's all for the intro. Now let's move on to the review and then swatches. That's how the product looks like. It comes in this cardboard box and you have to open it like this, and there you get your lip serum. Though it's a matte lipstick, but the name is serum, it's because this one has the qualities of a serum. Like this one is enriched with vitamin C and E. We all know the benefits of vitamin C and E. Vitamin C is a powerhouse of antioxidants, whereas vitamin E will provide the required nourishments to your lip. As it contains vitamin C, it will help to lighten lip pigmentation, and these lipsticks are matte, not drying matte, and it won't exaggerate your lip line. These lip shades are transfer and smudge proof. It will last you for 12 hours. Dermatologically tested है and extremely pigmented है. Color payoff बहुत ही अच्छी है. अगर आपकी pigmented lips है, then for the lighter shades you don't have to color correct your lips to get that color payoff. And yeah, lightweight texture है. That's why as I was saying daily wear के लिए एकदम appropriate है. Not just that, like आप इसको ना सिर्फ tint की तरह भी अप्लाई कर सकते हो, because आप जब इसको अप्लाई करोगे ना, you will feel that ये बहुत ज़्यादा soft है. तो अगर आपको बहुत ही वाइब्रेंट कलर नहीं चाहिए है, आप थोड़ा सा अप्लाई करके आपके फिंगर टिप से उसको स्प्रेड कर लो, and then it will give you like the tint kind of finish. It comes with a pointed doe foot applicator, so you can line your lips precisely with the applicator itself. पैकेजिंग बहुत स्लीक है, तो इजिली आप इसको आपके बैग या तो पर्स में कैरी कर सकते हो. एंड फॉर द शेड्स, ऑल द शेड्स आर ग्रेट फॉर इंडियन स्किन टोन. यू आर गेटिंग डार्क शेड्स, न्यूड शेड्स, मॉव्स, पिंक्स एंड व्हाट नॉट. सो डेफिनेटली आई वुड हाईली recommend these lipsticks to you guys. Try them and share your experience with me. Okay, I totally forgot to mention about the price. This lipstick retails for rupees 599 for 9 ml of product. So yeah, that's all for the review. Now let's move on to the swatches. So with that we completed today's video, and I really hope you guys find this one helpful. Don't forget to check out the description box because I will provide the buying links over there as usual. And yep, see you guys soon. Bye and take care.